This place, oh gosh, it's all a mess. Oh, you can't see. Son of a bitch. Whoa. That made me sweaty. It's my first time almost like, dare I say, living independently. It's a lot of moving things around and putting them nowhere. Hey everybody. Kaylee and I are going to the Philippines. And we decided to send a few boxes ahead of time. They're full of items that we'd like when we're there, and that way we'd have supplies that would last us for the whole stay. We sent clothes, we sent food, we also sent art supplies, also things like towels, books, that would take up space in airplane luggage, so we put it in boxes. Also, at the end of the trip, all the leftover items can be given to my family that lives there, so that's a plus. This is us packing our boxes.
We did with the fucking clay in.
Because we're not bringing it.
Oh, thank God.
I don't know.
That gave me the vibes of like mom taking a picture of her kid.
It's all going in here. I just feel like this basketball night is being a stalker. Like, yeah. Oh God.
What?
I love that.
Corner. I know, it's so fun. I wish there was a way to like. We're taping up our first Philippines box.
Alright, and then you fold it like a present. Put the sides in. And then over the flap. There you go. Look at them. Look at me. And look back at the boxes. Look at your man. Now look at me. Now back at your man. Now back at me. He doesn't use Old Spice, but I... Do you remember those commercials? The Old Spice commercials?
No. It looks like our whole floor is boxes.
Shit.
But that's because it is. Live?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're live.
We're live here in Manhattan.
What do you have to say for yourself?
Ooh, I'm so excited. Wow. One box done.
We're laying out all of our stuff we want to add to our Philippines box, and we're about to take a picture of it, and then we're going to put it in our packing list, our box packing list.
Yeah, you guys, you gotta keep inventory, otherwise you're gonna get doubles of things, or...
I don't even know what's in the other boxes.
Yeah, we do. We took inventory.
We do because we have a list.
You can't just fish our lenses.
Makes the picture look bad.
So we have a fuck ton. Yeah.
This is our whole packing list for all of the boxes we ship to the Philippines. Everything is organized by what box it was placed in, as well as the corresponding list outlining every item that was placed in the box. We also included pictures of all the items to make it easier when looking through the packing list. This was super helpful as we continued to pack for the Philippines. This list allowed us to easily check items to make sure we didn't purchase duplicate items. Gab and I would also write notes to each other to communicate our progress with packing. We were on different schedules with work, so a shared note was very beneficial to keep each other updated during the packing process.
Nice.
Wow. Do we know how to pack, or do we know how to pack?
That's pretty darn good. Alright, let's close it up. No.
Okay, I got allergies.
Wait, please. You need the edges. You gotta lay your edges.
I forgot.
Rookie. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a rookie.
boxes all week. I'm ready for this moment.
3, 2, 1. Oh, it's not bad.
We're strong. Just a girl in her box. Miss America.
Sorority
yeah.
Mm-hmm. Guys, we have like 21 days. 21 days. So it's the same day. We decided to just finish it. So we went to the store, grabbed some last minute things, and now we can close up our third box. Live of us getting hernias.
Look at them.
We're ahead of schedule
And
at this point.
look at all the space it's clearing.
We're ahead of schedule, and that's why we're really excited, because this is supposed to be done next weekend.
We're only on the 11th.
We're done now! We're fucking killing it, guys. Cut to everything in
Stress.
shambles.
We're on our way to the Philippines consulate to get our visas.
One for me, one for you, and one
divorce papers.
Who are you divorcing to marry me?
We're here. We're doing it. We're getting our visas.
Yes, ma'am.
We paid $10 each to get them express done today, and then he came back and said we're too early and we have to do it a month before. So now we're getting stamps.
And my mom's on this wall. We'll find her. I have that posted. That's how you do it. It's been a few months. We've been living in Michigan, and now we're going to leave for the Philippines in 2 weeks. So it's time to start packing everything that we're gonna bring with us on the plane. So make yourself comfy and let's get started. Rolling. Nuts!
Suitcase 1?
Done.
What are you just doing over there? Get up there.
That was quick. How's it hanging up there?
Suitcase 2. Done.
Where'd you go?
Oh, there you are.
Oh, hey.
Suitcase 3. Done. carry-on bags. Done.
Oh no. Meg, dude, don't do that.
So it's currently Sunday and we are leaving for the airport tonight.
We're looking at a 14-hour trip to our destination in the Philippines.
We'll be recording our travel experience, so come back to our channel to check out our travel journey.
We'll be posting updates on our TikTok, so that will be linked down below. Thanks for watching. Tell them what they told us.
They told us we gotta go home.